Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer files using OneDrive Personal Vault, complete guide step by step clearly. Open OneDrive on your computer or mobile device. Log into your Microsoft account if you haven't already. Locate the Personal Vault folder within your OneDrive. If you don't see it, make sure your OneDrive is updated. Click on the Personal Vault to open it. If this is your first time using the Personal Vault, follow the on-screen prompts to set it up. You may need to verify your identity using a method like email or phone. Once inside the Personal Vault, you'll see the option to add files. To upload files, click the Upload button, usually located at the top of the screen. Select the files you wish to transfer from your device. After selecting the files, click Open to start the upload process. The upload progress will be displayed, so you know when it's complete. You can also drag and drop files directly into the Personal Vault. For mobile users, tap the plus icon to add files. Choose the source of your files, such as photos or documents. Select the files you want to transfer and tap Done. Once the files are uploaded, you can view them directly in the Personal Vault. To access these files later, open OneDrive and navigate back to Personal Vault. If you want to share files, select the file and click on the Share option. You can then enter the email addresses of those you want to share with. Make sure to set permissions for the recipients. To remove files from the Personal Vault, select the file and click Delete. Confirm the deletion when prompted. Always remember to lock your Personal Vault after you've finished using it. You can do this by clicking the Lock option, ensuring your files remain secure. Regularly check your Personal Vault to keep your files organized. By following these steps, you'll effectively manage your files using OneDrive Personal Vault. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.